Hey guys, I hope everyone is well. This assignment is going to post on Friday, April 3rd, and it's due on April 9th. That's a Thursday. So this week I wanted to practice irregular past verbs, but also share and spread something positive. So, everyone, please go into Google Classroom. I'll click on ESL 1. I'll go to classwork and I'll go to at homework, and I will look at our next assignment. Okay, so this assignment says, let's stay positive. So watch Miss Aguiar's video lesson. Complete Let's Stay Positive Google Slides assignment, and everyone in class has access to it. Everyone in class can edit this Google slide. So everyone click and open it up. Okay, so this says, let's stay positive, or let's be positive. Everyone right now, we're stuck in our houses, and I miss you guys, and I wish we were in school. Hopefully soon we can see each other again. But right now, it's important to stay positive. So everyone is going to share something positive they saw this week. So number 1, find your name. So go over to the side slides, and look for your name. So Miss Aguiar's post. This is my post with Pierina's, Nelson's, Ronald's, Diego's, Tylita's, Wanderson's, Eddie's. So everyone has a slide. Everyone in class, find your name. Go back to slide 1. Number 2, share a positive photo, video, or news article that you saw this week. So I saw a cool YouTube video. So now I go to YouTube and I paste the title here. So this is my video, my positive video. Coronavirus, Germans sing Bella Ciao from rooftops in solidarity with Italy. Okay. So I'll play the video for you guys. So you guys, you can finish the video later. Now, I want to copy the YouTube link, go back, find your name. Here it says my photo, video, news article. I want to insert the video. Here, I paste the YouTube link, search, select my video, click select. Now it's here and I can play it. Okay. Go back to slide 1. So number 3, write 100 words. Use past simple regular and irregular verbs. So remember last week, your irregular verbs, the past tense. So these verbs I want you to use. So 100 words. Write about why you like the picture, video, or news article. Write about why you want other people to see it. So go to your slide, click Write 100 words. I can say, I saw this video last week. The verb saw is past tense, irregular verb. The people in the video were in Italy. Were, past tense, irregular. Whoops, sorry guys. They were in Germany. The people sang the song Bella Ciao to support the people struggling in Italy. It was very beautiful because then I continue writing. Remember, you need 100 words. Go back to slide 1. Number 4, respond to 5 classmates' posts. Write something positive to them. Use the comment feature. So I can comment on Pierina's, I can comment on Michaela's, Tyson, Gabriele, Christian, Victor, on 5 people in class. I go to their post, I click add comment. I can say, hi Miss Aguiar, I really loved this video 2. I loved it because, and then I continue. Click comment. I do this for 5 people in class. So that's all the work for this week. Remember, if you need me, you can email me, you can text me on Remind app, you can text me on Google, on my Google number, or next week you can talk to me on the Zoom live video. I'll see you guys later.